Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to set battery in numbers. So friends, before we continue the steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move one setting. After that, you have to scroll down to notification and control center. So you have to click on notification and control center. After that, again you have to scroll down to status bar. On the below you are going to find the status bar. So click on it. After you have been click on it, you are going to find the battery indicator. So click on it. If you want to set battery indicator as in numbers, so this one is the in numbers and this one is the in percentage and this one is the hiding. Okay, so if you want to set, just click on this icon and the battery percentage on your device will be set on. Okay, in numbers, it has been in numbers. You can check it, okay, on your device. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.